Good morning, guys. This is the third day of no drinking. Hi guys, so it's the second check-in of day 3 of no drinking, 23rd of January 2026. I'm still sober. The day was busy, not perfect, but handled. So today actually reminded me that rebuilding takes time to organize, especially when everything is new. So I'm learning the rhythm as I go, not just with this, but also with the no drinking. And that's where I am today. So I'll check in tomorrow morning. Before I do though, extra thing that I picked up today, as you can see, cleaned myself up. I just need to shave and cut my fingernails. And I spent a lot of today cleaning. Make your bed, clean your bedroom, cleaning dishes and everything. And then the third thing I'm incorporating today is food. I need to start eating a lot, I need to pick up weight, and I need to start eating healthy food. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm busy with. And remember, I'm operating on a low budget, and I'll explain more as we get deeper into this and I get the feel of it and I start getting the times right, because I want to get this posted at 5 o'clock. Yeah, as I get into that, things will get a little bit smoother, and I'll explain a little bit more. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So I'm just going to quickly show you that, and then that's where I'm at today, and I'll check in again tomorrow. So very quickly, I'm just going to undo the phone. Sorry, just take the phone out from here. There we go. So what I'm doing right now, tonight, just to make everything go far, is I'm doing fried rice. So I have rice in this container, which is a special little thing for the microwave. So there's the rice. You just need to pop 4 cups of water in there and pop it in the microwave for 20 minutes. It comes out excellent. And then I'm going to add a few little veggies. I've got split peas and stuff soaking in water there with a bit of spice and things. This is a chicken. It's like a chicken carcass. So it's more like the offcuts. It's very cheap. It's 15 Rand for that. I think it's like 30 odd Rand a kilo. And then what I'm going to do is I actually made collagen, or like bone broth. So I cooked up pig trotters, and this is like gelatin. So I'm going to add as much gelatin as I can to the fried rice. I might even see if I can cook the rice with a bit of the gelatin. But as you can see, it's solid jelly gelatin, which is very good for you. So anyways, I'm going to try and do a massive bit of piled rice, and I'm going to start not bodybuilding, but trying to pick up weight, and I'm going to start gymming. So it's kind of like bodybuilding. I suppose I'm going to try building my body up. So yeah, I'm going to start bodybuilding. Anyways, that's it. I don't want to blab on too long. Oh, and then just to show you the inside of my caravan, it's nice and clean. That's my little cat princess. Princessy, hello, mum. Yeah, she sleeps. When she sleeps, she sleeps. Eh? And anyways, that's the rest. So as you can see, it's very clean and very organized. And then I'll just give you a gander outside. So that's outside. Very clean, very organized, everything in its place. The only thing that has to be action still, but it's been put down neatly, is a bit of washing, but it's like carpets and things. And that box that's on top there, I'm going to lay it down in a garden that I'm making, and then cover that with soil. But as you can see, all very neat. Yeah. Oh, and I set up my bokashi wind property today. Not really mine, but the lady on the farm was lying in the garage, so I set that up. And then and you can even put meat and stuff in it, so even the leftovers, like anything from that or any junk, it's going to go in there and then into the bokashi. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Cheers.